Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching the Cooking with an Italian. Today something very nice, the kids love it. They are potato calzone. It's potato with stuffing inside, but like calzone. Easy, we need 7-8 potatoes, 100 grams of Parmesan, 220 of plain flour, teaspoon of baking powder, some parsley, salt, pepper, and oil. Easy to do, to be honest. The most difficult is boil the potatoes. Okay? First step, mash the potato very well. Just mash it. I boil it before. Mash it, everything. When is everything mashed, I show you the next step. Okay? Okay, guys, you see, potato is gonna be mashed like that. Anyway, later we're gonna mix maybe by hands. Now, 100 grams of Parmesan you put inside, baking powder, a teaspoon, salt, how much you like, of course, some salt, pepper, black pepper, and parsley. Parsley how much you like, gonna be nice. And I put slowly, that's all. Now, 2-3 tablespoons of nice olive oil. And we start mix. I said we are at home, we cook for the family. It's more easy by hands, okay? But if you don't like, you can use a spatula, fork, anything you like. Mix very well. When this mix is very good, we're gonna add the flour, okay? 5 minutes, see you soon. Guys, 4-5 minutes, when you have something like that, when it's good mix, add the flour. This is 220. Okay, mix everywhere. Very nice. And I show you the next step. Okay, when you have something like this, compact, the job is done. Now, I clean all this mess and I'm gonna shoot the next step. Next step is get ready with some stuff here. I don't know, I'm gonna put some salami, mortadella, cucumber, cheese. For my son Enrico, I'm gonna put some courgette, everything you like. One pan to fry it, and I show you next step, okay? Okay, now we're ready. The set changed, we need one of these, or if you want to make clean, you can put some baking paper. The ingredient you're gonna use, any ingredient, I'm gonna use some cheese, some mozzarella, some vegetarian with courgette and rocket and ham, salami, and blah, blah. Some flour at the bottom. If this is big, you can use half. Okay? Get ready as well with 1 pound because we're gonna fry this. Not deep fried, but we're gonna. Some flour on top, maybe even is big for me. Not too thin, yeah? Something like this. I think something like this is perfect. Later, cup like this, and here we can make another one. Here we can make another one. Here. Later, if it's not precise, you can expand it. Now we do this. We separate 2, 3, and this back. Now a little bit more. That's it. This one example. I want to do salami and mozzarella example. Some inside. Fold it like this. Close it very well. You can use a fork. You see? This is very important. You close it very well. You see? Perfect. Leave on the flour like this. And guys, put stuff inside in all how much you need. And when is everything ready, I show you to fry it. Okay? Okay, guys. My calzone, they're ready. Later, you can give them any form or big that you like. But for me, this I like small, like calzone, little calzone. The oil, vegetable oil is on. It's not gonna be deep fried. I'll be a little bit shallow. And put in gentle the flame, and very gentle you're gonna manage them. 2-3 minutes per side, because don't forget the potato is already cooked. You have just to brown it. I show you when it's halfway, when I turn them, and I show you later, okay? But they are already, the smell is delicious. Okay guys, 3 minutes per side. When it's something like that, it's done. Okay? Take it out, very gentle. Is it? This is done. This is the way to cook it. When we do everything, we're gonna test it, okay? See you soon. Okay guys, the potato calzone or calzone di patate is ready. It's delicious. The best way is to a little bit cool down. Now, later up to you. I like a little bit more brown. If you like a little bit less, it's up to you. But that now we try. Look at that. Huh? And now we try it. Oh, sorry guys. It's spectacular. Absolutely delicious. Wow. Sorry guys, I'm so sorry for you, but very nice. Guys, the potato calzone is this. Very nice. Well, if you like, follow us and finger up. Finger up and follow us. And if you can, share with friends, subscribe on channel and check our website. Bye. Ciao.